Hey guys, this video is going to show you how to use the dictionary for any writing assignments or reading assignments when you're using your school computer. So obviously we have dictionaries online, but the thing is there are a lot of different dictionaries out there and some of them are more reliable than others. So you have a couple of different options here. One would be to go to MerriamWebster.com. And I'm going to link that in the page where you can find this video, MERRIAM-Webster.com. This is actually the same brand of company as the dictionaries that we use at school. A second might be Dictionary.com. Dictionary.com is fairly reliable. MerriamWebster is honestly better because it's the same brand as the ones that we use at school and the same ones that you'll use on the STAR test. But if you can't remember that one, Dictionary.com is okay. With either website, you need to be careful to spell it exactly and to type it carefully, or to use the link that we're going to put in this description so that you can go straight to that website and you wouldn't accidentally go to the wrong website. However, if you're nervous about using a website, or if you're working in Microsoft Word, there's actually a really neat feature in Microsoft. So last year my students used to tell me all the time, Miss, I don't know what the word confiscate means. I would tell them, if you don't stop that, I'm going to confiscate your phone, or I'm going to confiscate the toy car, or whatever it was. And they would tell me, Miss, I don't know what confiscate means. So if I am reading this sentence, or if I copied and pasted this sentence and I don't know what the word confiscate means, I can actually right-click in Word and click Smart Lookup, and it will actually give me the definition and tell me how to say it.
Confiscate.
So take or seize somebody's property with authority. Take away, impound. It even gives me the synonyms. So again, you can use the website, but a lot of the times it may even be easier to just type the word into Microsoft Word and use Smart Lookup.